Did you know your body might be sending you urgent SOS signals about your liver health? Ignoring them could be perilous. Your liver is a vital organ, responsible for over 500 crucial functions in your body. It's like a silent worker, tirelessly filtering toxins, producing bile, storing nutrients, and much more. But when it's in trouble, it has ways of letting you know. In this video, we'll explore 9 bizarre signs that could indicate serious liver damage. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll share simple, natural remedies to help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver. Let's start with something we don't often talk about: the color of your stool. Your liver releases bile to help digest fats, giving stools their normal brown color. But if you have fatty liver disease or liver damage, this bile flow can become disrupted. The result? Your stools might become lighter, paler, or even clay-colored. Another unusual indicator of liver damage is the emergence of small white or yellowish growths around your eyelids. These are tiny collections of cholesterol deposits that accumulate beneath your skin due to the liver's inability to break down cholesterol effectively, leading to its buildup in various parts of the body. If you're experiencing a sensation of pressure or discomfort on the right side of your rib cage, it could be another potential indication of liver disease. Liver damage can lead to bile becoming thick and sludgy, which can block the small tubes connecting to your gallbladder. This results in a feeling of pressure and discomfort around the ribs. This pressure can also affect the phrenic nerve, causing muscle tension and pain in the region around your right shoulder. When your liver is congested, inflamed, or impaired, you may be more prone to bruising. And occasionally you might notice unusual purple or red bumps resembling a rash on your skin, along with small red patches. This often occurs in areas like the lower legs or arms, and it's attributed to diminished blood circulation associated with liver disease, or possibly diabetes. If you find our content helpful, please subscribe and like. Quality research takes time, and your support goes a long way for a small, bootstrapped creator. Another symptom of liver disease is experiencing a persistent urge to scratch or itch the palms of your hands or the soles of your feet. This condition arises due to a buildup of bile acids beneath the skin, resulting from the liver's inadequate filtration of these acids. This buildup leads to an accumulation of histamines in the bloodstream, triggering the itchy sensation. If your fingernails start to turn completely white, losing their natural pink color, or they adopt a rounded, clubbed, or bulbous shape, it may be a sign of significant liver damage or another underlying health issue. This condition can hinder the delivery of oxygen to the nail matrix. Interestingly, in the 1950s, researchers found that 8 out of 10 individuals with severe liver scarring had nails that were entirely white. Your liver plays a crucial role in breaking down old red blood cells, which contain a yellowish pigment called bilirubin. When your liver or gallbladder sustains damage, this pigment can accumulate in the body and eventually get flushed out through the urine. As a result, your urine may take on a very intense dark orange, amber, brown, or cola-like color because your liver isn't processing the pigment as it should. When your liver is not functioning correctly and is unable to effectively filter bilirubin from your blood, it can lead to a change in the color of your skin. This can result in a yellowish hue on the skin, a condition known as jaundice. Jaundice is a clear indication of significant liver damage, which could be due to conditions like hepatitis, cirrhosis, or drug or medication poisoning. Spider veins resemble tiny red dots with spider-like extensions of blood vessels that become visible on the skin. These are blood vessels that have suffered damage because your liver is not effectively filtering out excess estrogen. Elevated estrogen levels can weaken the blood vessels in the veins, leading to their dilation and the appearance of these spider-like veins on the skin. Let's talk about some natural ways to support your liver health and potentially reverse damage. It's important to clean up your diet by cutting back on sugary, starchy, and processed foods. A fatty or impaired liver is particularly sensitive to fructose, which is the sugar found in fruits, much like it is to alcohol. Incorporating bitter and sulfur-rich foods such as leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, oily fish, walnuts, and onions into your diet can be beneficial. These foods, rich in sulfur, can help reduce fat buildup in your liver by increasing glutathione levels and supporting the detoxification of harmful substances. Starting your day with organic coffee and turmeric can also promote liver health. The polyphenols in coffee and the phytonutrients in turmeric are effective at reducing the formation of scar tissue in the liver and aiding its repair from damage caused by alcohol, drugs, or fructose. Additionally, aim to consume at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day. This helps thin your blood and supports the liver in producing bile to break down fatty deposits. It's also wise to avoid inflammatory seed oils like corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil. Instead, opt for extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil in your cooking. Incorporating citrus fruits like lemon and lime into your diet can stimulate the liver and improve bile production. Another helpful addition is milk thistle, which is known for its liver detoxification properties. Milk thistle can help increase bile production and improve bile flow.